Welcome to uCertify LiveLAB. LiveLAB is a virtual environment that replicates a real-world environment where you can practice applying what you have learned using actual operating systems, tools, and software. To get started, you can access the LiveLAB either through the course dashboard or from your school's LMS via LTI link.
Looking for a specific lab? Use the search bar on the top left corner or filter lab based on lessons from the left pane.
Click on the desired lab that you want to work on.
On the right panel, using 3 dots, you can bookmark, rate confidence, and make notes.
Click on the side pane on the left to navigate to other labs. In the right panel, click on the Activity tab. You will find step-by-step instructions to complete the lab activity.
To perform the activity, power on your virtual machine by clicking the machine name followed by on/connect button from the bottom left corner.
The machine will boot up shortly.
For an immersive experience, switch to full screen mode by clicking the icon next to the machine name given at the bottom left corner. Need to reset the machine to its original state? Just click the machine name on the bottom left corner and choose Reset.
Click Send Text and Keystrokes. In the top bar, you will find the VM's username and password. Use the Ctrl-Alt-Delete button to unlock the desktop or access security features. Click on the Ctrl-Shift-Delete to delete browsing data such as browsing history, cookies, search history, and more. To see more options for a program, select right-click. Click Symbols to bring up keyboard with all special characters.
Now, let's do the activity by following instructions given in the Activity tab on the right panel. Need help with the lab step? Click on the play button given next to the lab step to watch the help video. After completing each step, double-click to mark it done in order to avoid missing any step. Once you have completed all the steps, click Submit on the bottom right corner, followed by Evaluate button to record your work.
Working with text, here is how to copy and paste effectively. For the first method, you can send text into the machine using the arrow symbol. In the second method, you can use the Send Text and Keystrokes button on the top, paste your text into the dialog box and click Send. Just remember, not all these techniques will work in all the labs.
In some labs, you may have activity help videos. On the right panel at the bottom of the lab instructions, watch the solution video to learn how to improve. Sometimes, you might need to take a screenshot or record a video for an activity. It's easy. Just click on the Evidence tab given beside the Activity tab on the right panel to find all the tools you need. You can also upload any files related to your lab work from your computer. Finally, click Submit, followed by Evaluate My Work from the bottom right corner to record and view your performance.
Remember, the machine powers off after 15 minutes of inactivity. Restart if necessary. When you have completed the lab, click Close from the bottom navigation bar. Now, from the lab list page, click on the Dashboard button on the bottom right corner to go back to the dashboard and explore other course components. And that's uCertify LiveLAB. Please remember, some of the features described here may not be available in your course. because it depends upon specific course and configuration. For more help videos, please visit www.ucertify.com/support.